Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting gadgets in the action drone world, the HoverAir X Pro Max. Whether you're an adventurer, solo traveler, or content creator, this might just be the hands-free aerial camera you've been waiting for. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box, you get the sleek HoverAir X Pro Max drone, beacon device for long-range tracking, dual joystick modular remote setup, a stylish carry bag that fits it all, and a set of ND filters for creative shooting control. From the accessories alone, you can tell this drone is built for serious, all-weather shooting. Design and build. The Pro Max is compact, foldable, and incredibly durable. Its propeller guards are made from HEM, highly elastic material. Lighter than carbon fiber, but tough as nails. It's built to handle drops, salt, dust, heat from -40 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius, and even 100 newtons of pressure on the body. The drone feels premium, yet adventure ready. One button flying freedom. No need for a controller or even your phone. Just unfold and press a button. It takes off with automated flight modes like zoom out, orbit, bird's eye, sidetrack, slow-mo, perfect for creators on the go. A 2-axis gimbal, plus electronic image stabilization, plus horizon leveling, ensures your footage is butter smooth, even at high speed or in rough terrain. This drone follows you at 26 miles per hour, 42 kilometers per hour, and can briefly track up to 37 miles per hour, 60 kilometers per hour. Ideal for cycling, skiing, or running. With a 107-degree ultra-wide FOV lens on the Pro Max, your footage gains cinematic dynamism. Modular remote joystick system. Whether you prefer one-handed control or full RC piloting, the Tri-State joystick system has it all. Haptic feedback, motion control, smartphone mounting 1 kilometer transmission range. Clip on the beacon, and you're ready to go. HoverLink plus beacon. The beacon gives you 1 kilometer range, live OLED monitoring. With HoverLink, it boosts tracking precision in tricky lighting or when the drone temporarily loses line of sight. Voice control plus audio recording. Built-in mic and speaker allow voice-activated takeoff plus audio capture with proprietary noise reduction. Talk to your drone and record commentary. No need for extra gear. Camera and visual performance. 8K video resolution. Still photo. 8,000 by 6,000 pixels. 7-layer custom-designed lens. 2x digital zoom. 10-bit HDR. Vertical mode for Instagram/TikTok. Wi-Fi 6 for blazing fast transfers. Up to 1.2 gigabits per second. SD card support up to 1 terabyte. This is not just a drone, it's your personal flying cinematographer. It handled everything smoothly. The tracking was accurate, the video was sharp, and we didn't lose connection even once. Cold weather didn't affect battery life either, thanks to the thermo battery. Travel friendly. The included carry bag makes everything easy to pack and carry. It fits the drone, beacon, filters, everything you need for a day out. Whether you're a hiker or a traveler, you'll appreciate how portable this setup is. The HoverAir X Pro Max is more than a drone. It's like a flying personal cameraman that knows how to follow, film, and adjust on the fly. You don't need to be a drone expert, and you don't need a ton of gear. Whether you're filming content, traveling, or just want to capture epic moments hands-free, this drone is perfect. The 8K video, smart tracking, voice controls, and cold weather support make it truly stand out. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity Technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.